Okay, so we're going to be looking at an example of plotting a graph of a rational function in ALEKS. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add our asymptotes. So we have a vertical asymptote at -4. So click on that, move that over to -4, because -4 is where the denominator is going to be 0. So that's our vertical asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is going to occur at 0, since the degree of the denominator is higher than the degree of the numerator. And then we're going to plot some points. So if I plot some points, I'm going to start sticking some values of x into my function. So let's start with, let's say x equals 0. When I plug in 0 for x, I get 1/4 as the value. Let's say I plug in x equals 2, then I'm going to get, that's going the wrong direction. Let's go x equals -2, get closer to our asymptote. So if I plug in -2 into my equation, I'm going to get 1/2. And then if I plug in, let's say -3, I'm going to get -1. No, +1. There we go. And then on the other side of the asymptote, if I plug in -5, I'm going to get -5. I'm going to get -1. And then if I plug in -6, then I'm going to get -1/2. Okay, so now I've got a couple points plotted on each side of the equation, and then I'm going to select graph a function, and the function will try to connect those dots for me. And then if I hit check, then it says that it is correct.